Guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you conic section and special curve chapter. In that my topic is involute of a circle. So how to construct an involute of a circle. So I am showing you this problem by my basic skills, how to draw this, how to draft this. So this problem is applicable to ITI diploma and engineering students, and it is of 10 to 15 marks for the different branches. Hope if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also comment in my YouTube inbox channel. So now I am going to start my question. Draw an involute of a circle of diameter 50 mm. Draw a tangent and normal at any point on the curve. So how to draw this? I am going to show you. So the diameter given is 50 mm. So to draw a 50 mm circle, you have to take 2.5 centimeter. Half of the diameter is 2.5. So 2.5 you have to take, and you have to draw a circle like this, 2.5 centimeter. Okay, then after you have to divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So how to divide? I am showing you. First you have to divide into 2. It is divided into 2. Then after in 4 it is divided. Then to divide into 12, take your protractor, keep in on the circumference of the circle to your protractor, and take a degree of 30 degree, put a dot, and on 60 degree also you have to put a dot, and from here same 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, on that dots you have to adjust. This is the circumference, you label it as circumference as O or origin, and from that origin and to the dot adjust your mini drafter scale and draw a diagonal like this. And same with another point you have to adjust with the circumference and draw a diagonal. Same from that another point, draw a diagonal, and same here like this. Then after dividing this into 12 equal parts, you have to number here 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After dividing this, according to this line, you have to draw a perpendicular line with this. How much we don't know. So by the calculation pi into d, we will get this length of the line. Okay, pi into d means pi is the constant term, diameter given is 50 mm. So by calculating this, we will get 157 mm. Okay, 157 mm. So we have to draw a perpendicular line according to this line. Adjust your mini drafter like this, 157 mm. I have drawn this 157 mm line. Okay, then after you have to divide this 157 mm into 12 equal parts. Why means a circle you have divided into 12, so that's why you have to divide into 12 equal parts. How in 12 means you have to calculate this 157 divided by 12 means one part will be 13 mm. Okay, in calculator you can do this. One part will be 13 mm. So 13 mm you do it. Each part will be 13 mm, which is divided into 12 parts. Okay, now you have divided into 12 equal parts. So you have to number here also 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, and 12 dash. Okay, then after you have to draw the perpendicular lines from these lines. How many lines you have drawn? How means adjust your mini drafter like this with that one and draw a perpendicular line from one like this, and same simultaneously for 2, 3, 4 each points you have to draw a perpendicular lines from 3 and from 4 then from 5 6 and from 7 then 8 9 10 the last 11 okay, the last 12 it is already done. So then after taking the perpendicular lines you have to take a divider, measure from 0 to 1 dash on your divider, and keeping on 1 only you have to put an arc like this and label as P1, point 1 we have removed. Then same simultaneously from 0 to 2 dash you have to measure on your divider, and keeping on 2 put a line on that perpendicular line of 2, then this point will be P2. Then same as 3 you have to measure from 0 to 3 dash and keeping on 3 an arc, this will be P3. Then 4 you have to measure, keeping on 4 put an arc, this will be P4. Then 5 keeping on 5, this will be P5. Then 6, this will be P6. Then 7 keeping on 7, this will be P7. Then 8, this will be P8. Then 9, carefully you have to measure it, keeping on 9, this will be P9. Then 10, keeping on 10, this will be P10. And last 11, keeping on 11 only you have to take arc, this will be P11 and this will be P12. Okay, like this. After taking the points you have to draw the arcs starting from 0 to P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, 6, like this you have to do. So how to do with your free hand, you can do from 0 to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3. First draw a faint lines, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, then P10, P11, last to P12, like this you have to do. Then after that, this involute we have drawn, like this. This is the complete solution of the involute. You have constructed involute of a circle. Then after, you have to show the dimensions of this circle as given in the question. This diameter is having 50 mm. Take an extension line from here. Then draw a dimensioning line like this, put an arrow mark and diameter symbol 50. You have shown the dimension also. And in the question it also says you to remove the tangent and normal. Draw a tangent and normal at any point on the curve. This is the curve of the involute. You have to take a point here somewhere, anywhere on this curve. I am taking here. This is I am labeling as point P. And from O to P you have to draw a line, faint line. First to remove the normal. So how to remove? I am showing you from 0 to P. First you have to take a line and you have to measure this line. How much? I am getting 13.5 centimeter. Means 13.5 centimeter, half will be somewhat, sorry, 13.5 divided by 2 will be 6.75. So 6.75 I have to take on this. 6.75 means 6.567. Here you will get the point, and this point I am labeling as C. Okay, then after take your divider, keep on that point C to O. Okay, C to O, and draw a semicircle from that point like this. Sorry, I have drawn somewhat wrong, means my mini drafter has taken somewhat error. Okay, then after where this semicircle is meeting to this circle, here it is meeting. From here to that point P, you have to, your normal is removed, so you have to darken this point to that point. You have to darken normal like this. This line is normal as you have removed. Then according to the normal will be, means your tangent you have to remove. The tangent will be perpendicular to this normal. So you have to adjust your mini drafter and draw according to this normal a perpendicular line, darken, and this will, your tangent removes from S to T. This is the tangent. And from P to this point, I will label it as B. From O to B, that line is normal. So you have constructed, you have also removed the tangent and normal, and also constructed involute of a circle as shown by the diameter 50 mm. So this is the complete solution of involute of a circle. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also comment in my YouTube channel inbox. Thank you.